Hello and welcome everyone. Are you tired of the same old breakfast routine? Try making a tasty omelet. Not only is it quick and easy to make, but it's also highly customizable to your preferences. In this video, we'll show you how to prepare a simple yet delicious omelet in just a few steps. Let's get started. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need eggs, milk, and your choice of seasoning, such as salt, black pepper, minced garlic, onion, parsley, and dill. If you like, you can also add cheese and vegetables like tomatoes, hot peppers, mushrooms, and green onions. Crack the eggs into a mixing bowl, add the milk and seasoning, and whisk the mixture together until it becomes frothy. Heat up a non-stick frying pan on medium-low heat and add a small amount of butter or oil to the pan. Once the pan is hot, pour the egg mixture into the pan and continuously stir until the eggs begin to set. At this point, you can add your choice of cheese and vegetables on one half of the omelet. Using a spatula, carefully fold the other half of the omelet over the filling and let it cook for a few more seconds until the cheese is melted and the vegetables are heated through. And there you have it, a delicious and filling omelet that's perfect for breakfast. You can serve it on its own, or add it to a piece of toast or boiled potatoes for an even heartier meal. For those who want to take their omelet making skills to the next level, here are a few extra tips. Adding a small amount of water or cream to the egg mixture can result in an even fluffier texture and creamier taste. So what are you waiting for? Try making an omelet for breakfast today and impress your family and friends with your new culinary skills. We've reached the end of the video. We hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in other videos on our channel.